Want more Porsche from your Porsche? Or maybe a Porsche with your Porsche? Well, now you can. Because Manthey Performance has just made its mind-bending GT3 RS Kit available in the US and for the cool price of $116,160. You can lap your favorite circuit even faster than the regular GT3 RS. Onus if there's such a thing as a regular GT3 RS. For the price of this upgrade alone, you could instead pick up an entirely new 4.0-liter Cayman GTS or almost buy another base 911 Carrera. But let's be real, if you're in the market for this kit, comparisons like that don't matter. What does matter is shaving lap times and making jaws drop. Manthey's GT3 RS Kit transforms an already supernatural track machine into something that defies physics. There's a bigger carbon fiber reinforced front lip, improved gurney flaps, and dual dive planes to crank up front axle downforce. And then hold on to your stopwatch, the rear window is tossed in favor of a 25% lighter carbon fiber panel. A shark fin appears. More roof fins follow. And then the DHN, enormous split DRS rear wing with bigger end plates, all contributing to a monstrous 2,200 pounds of downforce at 177 miles per hour. That's an entire ton of extra grip. But it's not just about aero. The suspension is tweaked with new spring rates, reworked dampers, and a control unit to fine-tune every aspect. The brakes, braided steel lines for better feedback. Translation: more confidence, more speed, more aggression. And if you're a 991 Gen GT2 RS owner, don't worry, Manthey's got something for you too. Starting at $113,140. You get a similarly aggressive aero overhaul, lightweight magnesium wheels, and even an extra water tank to keep the intercoolers happy. And if you're a 991 Gen GT2 RS owner, don't worry, Manthey's got something for you too. Starting at $113,140, you get a similarly aggressive aero overhaul, lightweight magnesium wheels, and even an extra water tank to keep the intercoolers happy. Serious cars deserve serious modifications, and Manthey Performance doesn't mess around. So, if you see one of these tearing past you on a track day, just know it's playing by an entirely different set of rules.